Hello friends, welcome back to Hybrid Learning. Today we will learn the concept of dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Our first sum is 96 divided by 5. Let's solve it first. Take the first digit 9 and divide it by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Now 9 minus 5 is 4. Bring down the next number 6. Now say your 5 times table up to 46. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times 8 is 40, 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. Now we subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. So let's understand now dividend. The dividend is the number that is getting divided. Over here 96 is getting divided. So 96 is the dividend. Divisor is 5, the number by which you are dividing. So in this question it is 5. Quotient. Quotient is the answer that you get after dividing 96 by 5. So the answer over here we have got after dividing is 19. So we write 19 as the answer. And after doing the whole sum, the remainder that is left at the end, you write in the remainder column. Over here, the remainder is 1. So we write it over here. Let's do the next sum. The next one is 93 divided by 3. So let's divide it. We will take the first digit 9 and divide it by 3 first. So 3 times 3 is 9. So we write 3 on the top minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down the next number 3. Again 3 times 1 is 3. We get remainder as a 0 here. So dividend, similarly we were doing earlier, we are doing here. Dividend is 93, the number that is getting divided. Divisor is 3, the number by which you are divided. Quotient is 31, the answer that you get. And in this sum, we have remainder 0 because nothing is left at the end. Okay, let's do the next sum, 75 divided by 3. Now we will be taking 7 first and divide it by 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the next number 5 and divide. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. So we write 5 on the top minus 15 and your remainder comes 0 again in this sum. So we identify the following. Dividend is 75. Divisor is 3 in this. Quotient is 25. And remainder is again 0 in this sum. Let's do one more sum to understand a little bit better. Okay, 68 divided by 4. So we divide 6 by 4 first. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Bring down the next number 8. Now say your 4 times table up to 28. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 it is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. So we write 7 on the top. 28 at the bottom, subtract 28 minus 28 and we get 0 as the remainder again. Okay, the dividend in the sum is 68. The divisor in the sum is 4. The quotient in the sum is 17 and the remainder is again 0 in this question. Okay, the fifth one. 78 divided by 5. Now we will divide 7 by 5 first. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down the next number 8. This becomes 28. Say your 5 times table up to 28. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 is more. We will be taking 5 times 5 is 25. And we will subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So dividend in the sum is 78. Divisor is 5. Quotient, the answer is 15. And the remainder is 03. I hope you understand the concept now and you're clear with your doubts. Meet you in the next video.